To start, click on Enter URL in the Rover interface. Now add your custom instruction. Here, we are entering an instruction to sign into a customer account and apply for a personal loan. After entering the instruction, click on Start. The Rover agent is running now. The login window has appeared. The agent has signed into the customer account. Rover is navigating through various options on the web app. A new loan application is being done. It will now select personal loan as loan type. Rover is now selecting personal loan amount and monthly income. The test run is now complete. Following that, click on Functional Test Report. All tested functionalities are listed here. Click on Activity Map to see the activities done. We can also download a report of the test. Afterwards, toggle on Activity Map. Inside the map view, we can zoom in and out. Next up, click on any text to view details of the step. Click on Apply Now to start a new loan application to see observations under the step. Similarly, click on Select Personal Loan Product to see more details. Click on Clear the existing loan amount to see more details. Next up, click on Set the loan amount to $25,000. To end, click on Set the monthly income to $2,700. With a robust set of features, Rover provides a structured yet flexible approach to exploratory testing, allowing users to configure test sessions, dive into exploration, and generate insightful reports, all optimized for the web environment. Visit our website to learn more.